Truman's the kind of bird that you can't get a new toy through the door of the cage without him already hanging off of it and playing. Well, Truman, what do you think of that? You like that new toy? Truman's favorite toys are the self-made ones that I make for him. They have no symmetry, no rhyme or reason. Just a whole bunch of different parts all strewn together, and he loves the randomness and to explore and find the pieces he likes out of it. What do you think of that? It's like Christmas for Truman. He's just got to be all over everything and try every little piece out. I know that Truman really likes the plastic pieces, so I'd mix them in amongst the wood to encourage him to chew the wood out so he can get to the plastic stuff that he really likes. And then he can break off his own toys and make his own foot toys for himself.